Hello! I hope you had a great time fishing and camping and that you're feeling okay and that everything's going good with the baby. Alright, here's my review for this week. This is the same as always. I'm going to click on a link here and you can see my products, and then I can click on the product and I get the product information page. It's all in there. Okay, so I'm going to validate the code. And no errors. And validate the HTML. No errors. That's good. And I'm trying to think of if I did any other changes, but I don't think so. I think that's it. So thank you for everything you do. It was a good week this week. I feel like I've learned a lot, and we'll talk to you later.